Why you looking like that?
Why do you look like that?
Why you looking like that?
Why do you look like that?
Why do you we just went walking. Why do you look like
Nah,
that?
why do you look like that?
Look like what?
Jack?
Bro, come on, man.
Gobble me, swallow me, drip down inside of me.
Heard near.
Oogly boogly, bitch.
Come on, man. I don't.
Oh, yeah, yeah, my homie cute. Yay!
Come on, man. You know what?
Aaron, turn off the flash.
Yeet.
Yeet.
I want to say something so bad, but it's gonna mess everything up.
It's going pretty well.
I was about to say, we haven't seen him.
Aaron, why would you say that?
I didn't. Yeet. Lock in.
Let's go!
Let's fucking go, lads.
You deciphered the sacred text.
Sheesh. Read this way.
So Aaron, you found out what she really meant?
Yeah.
Yeah. So she told you she'd eat anywhere. So what does that mean?
Strictly McDonald's.
McDonald.
You want to up the difficulty?
No, I keep dying.
Let's go.
Fuck out of here, bitch. Fuck. Of course, the black guy always dies. You're gonna die.
No. Come on.
What'd he do? No.
What?
Hey, Aaron. Let me take you out to dinner.
No.
Aaron behind you.
Oh, fuck off.
Man, fuck out of here!
Man.
Fuck out of here, yeet! Fuck.
Hey.
Ah! Fuck! Jesus! Ah!
Here, let me help you.
Hey you! Do you like clothes? Something to cover up your beef when you're not stroganoff? Then check out these freaking clothes! Oh wow! Look at that! A mug I'm busting!